small yet effective. That is what EDC gadgets are. They can be carried in pockets, bags, on belts, and provide solutions for various everyday needs. And our today's video is on the coolest EDC gadgets that are worth buying. The purchase link and updated price are provided in the video description for your convenience. Let us get into it. You have to admire the craftsmanship of Big Idea Design's new fixed blade knife, the Lookout. Designed specifically for front pocket carry, this compact knife boasts a comfortable 4-finger grip despite its modest 6.2-inch total length and 2.2-inch blade. Available in 2 premium lines, the standard features M390 steel paired with grade 5 titanium scales, while the USA line steps up the game with MagnaCut steel and grade 5 titanium screws for enhanced durability. The Lookout offers versatility in handle materials, with choices of tumbled Ultem, black G10, and Tigerwood, catering to various personal preferences. Each knife comes equipped with 2 Kidex sheaths for ambidextrous carry and a titanium deep carry pocket clip, making it both practical and secure for everyday use. With its sleek design and impeccable functionality, the Lookout has quickly earned a spot on top EDC lists for 2023, solidifying its status as a go-to tool for those who value quality and utility in their daily gear. For those who love keeping their EDC kit fun and functional, the Neop Spin is a good pick. This multifunctional fidget toy isn't just about keeping your hands busy, it's also a precision-machined tool made from durable brass and stainless steel. Its interchangeable discs offer a variety of uses, making it perfect for gaming and measuring tasks on the go. Whether you're rolling virtual dice for your D&D sessions or spinning the roulette wheel for a bit of chance, Neop Spin adds an element of entertainment to your everyday carry, but it doesn't stop there. It also doubles as a measurement tool, letting you measure curvatures and complex shapes in both imperial and metric units. For an extra personal touch, you can even customize the discs with up to 6 names, messages, or wishes on each side. The GShock GPR H1000 can be an indispensable EDC tool for outdoor adventurers seeking a durable, feature-packed timepiece. Built for rugged terrain, this watch is designed with mud-resistant buttons, metal side guards, and a forged metal button guard, ensuring it can handle the harshest conditions. Equipped with 6 advanced sensors, including a heart rate monitor, accelerometer, gyroscope, and more, the Rangman offers real-time tracking of movement, altitude, air pressure, and temperature, making it perfect for outdoor activities. Its built-in GPS tracks position, speed, and distance, while trekking functions monitor heart rate, calories burned, and other essential metrics during hikes. Powered by solar charging and polar algorithms, it provides in-depth training analysis and includes activity tracking for biking, swimming, and gym workouts. The high-definition MIP LCD ensures easy readability, while smartphone connectivity allows for notifications and route mapping. With a bio-based resin design, this eco-friendly and water-resistant watch truly stands out as the ultimate EDC companion for adventurous individuals. Nightcore EDC29 flashlight is a powerful and compact tool that stands out in everyday carry. This sleek flashlight delivers a 6,500 lumens of brightness, with a remarkable throw distance of up to 437 yards. Thanks to the Nightcore UHI-20 Max LED, it offers both floodlight and spotlight options, making it versatile for various situations. With 4 brightness levels, a spotlight mode, and even a strobe function, it's packed with useful features. The built-in OLED display provides essential information, including brightness settings, battery voltage, and remaining runtime. Powered by a 2,500 mAh Li-ion battery, the EDC29 can last up to 61 hours on ultra-low mode and recharges in just 1 hour and 15 minutes using a USB-C port. Durability is not an issue with its IP54 water resistance and 1 million impact resistance, making it suitable for any environment. A pencil that is called the John Wick pencil The FN Pen 2.0 is a tactical pen designed to go beyond ordinary writing tools. With its sleek all-metal body, this updated version offers interchangeable tips that cater to a variety of needs, from writing with the new graphite pencil tip to breaking windows with the tempered window breaker for emergencies. The eraser cap, complete with a built-in magnet, securely snaps over the penetrator tip, ensuring everything stays in place when not in use. Available in a striking metallic silver finish, the FN Pen 2.0 retains its ability to write upside down, underwater, and even in zero gravity, proving its utility in any environment. Users can also upgrade to a pressurized pen ink cartridge or enhance their setup with additional pencil tips, window breakers, and clips. With its mix of everyday practicality and self-defense features, the FN Pen 2.0 stands out as an indispensable tool for those seeking more from their EDC gear.
An EDC gear list is incomplete without an EDC knife. The SAVI Elementum 2 is an excellent choice. This knife is secured in place with a button lock, ensuring confident cutting and slicing. It's suitable for all adults and makes a great gift for friends, even if they are not into knives. The SAVI Elementum 2 features an excellent sharp blade made with Nitro V stainless steel, making it perfect for performing everyday tasks. The handle is constructed with a G10 laminated plastic design, making it easy to grip. The lightweight handle fits comfortably in hand and includes a deep carry pocket clip for right-handed carry. This knife can be used for various tasks flawlessly, such as opening boxes, cutting rope, sharpening pencils, and light outdoor activities during camping. The SAVI Elementum 2 provides a lifetime service against defects in material and workmanship, ensuring that you have a reliable and durable EDC knife. Everyone wants to do their daily activities faster and easier, especially in darker situations or at night. That's where the OITE Arc Flex EDC flashlight comes in. It takes functionality to the next level with its new fashioned 90-degree articulating head. This extremely versatile light can serve as a headlamp, work light, and more, thanks to its dual-way clip for deep carry. Additionally, the OITE Arc Flex's magnetic base makes it perfect for repairs, outdoor adventures, emergencies, industrial work, and nighttime activities. In terms of portability, it's slim, flat, and anti-slip design with a thickness of just 0.67 inches and striped texture on both sides ensures a user-friendly experience. The OITE Arc Flex's well-balanced floodlight provides voluminous illumination with a maximum output of 1,000 lumens. Showcasing daily activities like corporate or academic presentations with an EDC in style and functionality is a cool fashion statement. We have the Openen Pro on the list to make it possible. It's an innovative 3-in-1 multi-purpose design that features a pen, green laser, and an LED light. You can use it thoroughly for writing, reading, or presentations for any purpose. The easy-to-activate L-type bolt action with an LED switch allows for quick tip extension and light activation. The separable 2-in-1 pen light boasts flexibility for nighttime or backup lighting. The redesigned LED built into the clip provides hands-free use, while the reinforced steel clip easily hooks onto pockets, backpacks, hats, or notebooks. The Class 1 green beam output is less than or equal to 0.39 milliwatt, ensuring safety for both humans and animals. The OITE Openen Pro includes 4 brightness levels from 5 to 120 lumens. It has a built-in rechargeable battery that lasts up to 8 hours, fully charging in less than an hour. The smooth L-type bolt action button and lightweight body with a pocket clip make it a great EDC pick. Our next EDC gadget is the Keymart Pro, the world's most powerful smart compact key holder and organizer. This advanced EDC gadget ensures that users never lose their keys again by keeping them close-packed and systematic, making it the top keychain organizer for both men and women. The Keymart Pro is the first smart keys organizer to feature tile-smart GPS tracking and locator technology. This technology empowers users to locate misplaced keys or track them on a map using the free Tile app on their phones. If the user misplaces the Keymart Pro, they can simply use the app to make the keys play a tune for quicker retrieval. Additionally, if the phone is lost, pressing a button on the Keymart Pro will make the missing phone ring, even if it's in silent mode. Furthermore, the Keymart Pro offers customization advantages with various accessories like the Mag Connect, Quick Disconnect, Pocket Clip, Multi-Tool, Nano Pliers, Bottle Opener, and more. These accessories create a reliable utility organizer and key holder, making the Keymart Pro a versatile and convenient EDC gadget. Lighters are one of the most commonly used EDCs in our daily lives for various purposes. That's why we've included the Zippo Arc, a waterproof lighter that can easily be carried in a small pocket for everyday activities. It features a double plasma arc beam with a convenient double-tap push-button ignition, ensuring reliable and efficient lighting. The Zippo Arc is powered by a 200 mAh IEC battery, delivering consistent performance. Additionally, the 5-volt with a 0.2 ampere micro USB port allows for easy charging, taking approximately 1 hour to reach full capacity and providing up to 300 charges per battery. The built-in 10-second timeout safety feature prevents accidental overheating and prolongs the product's lifespan. Customers have highly rated the Zippo Arc for its various features, making it a popular EDC among users seeking a dependable and modern windproof lighter. EDC multi-tools have become essential for daily use in various activities, making our lives easier and more stylish. Storing these tools in a sleek and stylish sheath makes it even more convenient and hassle-free. That's why we have the Kidex Sheath by Clip & Carry, which is specifically designed for popular multi-tools like the Gerber Dime and Leatherman Squirt PS4. This everyday carry convenience is perfect for avid outdoorsmen, first responders, preppers, or tinkerers, as it keeps your multi-tool within reach at all times. Each sheath is handmade in the USA using durable Kidex material, with meticulous attention to detail to ensure a perfect for your multi-tool. The Kidex Sheath features a keyring hole and includes a split keyring, allowing users to utilize the Gerber Dime without having their keys dangle off the tool. The Clip & Carry Kidex Sheath is built to last and provides a lifetime warranty. A smart multi-tool can make any activity effortless through its creative skills. That's why we have the Smart RSQ Wallet multi-tool card, which is a compact, all-in-one wallet tool offering 37-in-1 survival functionalities. It's perfect for those who value preparedness and like to have hacks on hand. This stylish tool is expertly crafted from high-quality stainless steel and fits smoothly into any wallet. The Smart RSQ Wallet multi-tool card comes with a protective card sleeve, card holder, keyring, money clip, and carabiner, making it a full package. Its versatile functions make it a must-have for any wallet without taking up too much space. It's ideal for camping, hiking, traveling, or daily use, making it a practical and handy EDC. As everyday carry knives become essential for daily tasks, the Maxace knife capsule emerges as a standout tool. This knife is not only compact and sleek, but also fits comfortably in any pocket while delivering a powerful punch with its razor-sharp Boulder M 390 Tonto blade. The Cerakoted titanium handle is strikingly attractive, tough, and impressively lightweight. The flipper opener makes blade deployment snappy and satisfying, while the liner lock ensures safety during use. With a tip-up pocket clip for easy right-side carry, this knife offers maximum convenience. Whether slicing through boxes or handling precise tasks, the Maxace knife capsule is a reliable, stylish companion, elevating everyday carry to the next level. Everyone knows a simple key is lightweight and easy to carry. GK's innovative mini keychain gadget takes this convenience to the next level by packing multiple everyday tools into one compact design. This tiny key fits comfortably in your pocket, on a keychain, or even in a wallet. And it's TSA friendly for hassle-free travel. Made from durable 420 stainless steel and weighing only 0.7 ounces. The GK includes 16 plus functions like a bike spoke key, screwdriver, wrench, scoring tip, box cutter, serrated edge, can opener, wire stripper, file, ruler, protractor, bottle opener, and more. Whether tightening a loose screw or popping open a bottle, this multi-tool can handle any task.